Are you okay? So, hi everybody. I think this is the first time you see my little brother in my videos. Well, except that other one. Like, I posted another one in the title or whatever. It's called Look at My Little Brother. And here he is. Here he is, full body. We're at my grandma's house right now. I got a doggy. Well, not my doggy.
No, I want to sell them this cake.
And last night, my little brother gave Phoenix a cape.
Super dog.
Super dog. Yeah, we got Abby. Yeah, I would you be here?
Look. Yeah, this guy.
Yeah, we were playing with Headless T.
No.
And that's his head.
No. He's dead. He is dead. No.
Why? Bye. Bye bye.
Oh my God.